Hey y'all, it's Denise and I'm in my studio. It's Thursday afternoon, getting all my art, all my supplies, everything ready to go to Little Italy art walk on Saturday morning. I'm loading everything up tomorrow and I'm taking the show on the road. So that's what I've been working on all this week. I don't really have a project or anything to show you, to share with you. You can refer back to last week's in my studio session 157, I think it was, talking about everything you need to do to prep work for a show setup for an art fair, and that's what I did this week. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I think I've got everything ready and under control. This is one of the last things on my list to do, is share my week on YouTube, and here I am sharing it. So if you haven't done a show, and if you're scared to do a show, I used to do that too. I remember walking through Art Walk years and years ago thinking, wow, this is so awesome. Wonder if I could ever do that. Well, here now I do them all the time. I'm doing all 3 of the art walks this year in San Diego County. So I'm going to post the schedule below. So if you're in the area and you want to stop by and say hi, please do. I've also taken a lot of this work that I'm showing at Art Walk, and I made a separate web page for it. So all of the art that I'm showing at Art Walk, except for the smaller pieces, will be in that listing, and I'll link that below too. So yeah, there you go. Art Walk, Little Italy 2024. I'm ready for it. So thanks for being here, and I will see you next week. Bye.